Hi guys, I'm back and I have a few things to say, a few thank yous and such. So please give me at least 2 minutes. Stay till I finish at least my thank yous. And if you want to stay for the recipe, that'd be great. First, I want to say thank you to Pre-Retirement Days. Sweet lady, great channel. She's a subscriber. Thank you. And thank you for sharing. Fashionably 50 something and beyond. It's a cool channel doing a lot of great craft stuff and some food and recipes. Eat with Shy. Hi, Shy. Thank you for sharing and subscribing. Nori Food. Hello. I think Nori is in Japan. Good to see you. Gloria's Glow's Kindred Kitchen. Glow, because her name is Gloria. Hi, Gloria. Thank you. She just subscribed this morning because she met me through somebody who shared me. Viola. Thank you. Uh, My Kitchen Stories. Hello. And I saved the best for last. And you're all the best. But Diana, you are my 500 subscriber. Thank you. I never thought I'd meet anybody on YouTube who talks as much as me or as passionate as me about food and recipes, but I found you. We were separated at birth. I loved all your ideas about the salads. I laughed. I loved the way you presented it. Keep commenting, keep watching and chatting. I loved it. Really, thank you. I won't forget you. You're my number 500. You got me over the top. Okay, with that said, if I missed anybody, just say something in the comments and I'll be sure to give you a hello and a shout out in the next video because you know there'll be plenty. All right, now on to the food. But before we get there, this was planned for last night. I apologize for posting and anybody who saw it and was looking for it. We filmed the whole episode and my husband was trying to clear out some storage space on the camera and deleted the whole movie. So we're going to do it today. And luckily, this is a very fast recipe, so you won't be taking up too much of your time. I do want to mention farm raised. This is Kirkland brand from Costco. Now, they also have, if you want, organic fillets. These are delicious. I'm going to try the organic as well next time. There's a $5 difference. I think these were 6 pieces for $30, and I think 35 for the organic, but check it out. That's where I get them. I love them. You can also use fresh if you go to the Whole Foods or a fish store. But I like them because, like my shrimp, I love being able to say, hey, I feel like having salmon and pulling these out of the freezer, defrosting them, season them up quick, and they're delish. Okay, so let's get going because it's, like I said, silly simple. And let me put it together and then I'll tell you my last bit about it. Okay, so we're going to put some butter. Get some butter in there. Seems like a lot, but it's not because it's going to melt down with the wine and make the most delicious sauce for this. I'll take this off. My hands are clean. Okay, now we're going to use some garlic. You could use chopped, and I'll show you another thing I do, which is a great idea. I puree my garlic and I freeze it for stuff like this. When you want to pull it out, you just take it and you put some of your garlic like that or whatever the recipe is instead of having to chop up. That was just to show you. Then we're going to have some white wine. We always have Pinot Grigio in the house. You seen in my Aldi haul yesterday, I bought more. Me and Vinny, that's our daily wine. Dinner wine, every time wine. Okay, we'll put some pepper. A little bit of salt, not much, not crazy. Now you guys can season this any way you want, but there's a reason I do it this way and I'll tell you at the end. Here's some parsley, fresh chopped. That really helps to use the fresh in this dish. You want fresh. And lemons. You want to put a lemon slice on there, another one on here, and then you want to squeeze some lemon in the dish with the wine and the butter because that's what creates that beautiful sauce. You'll see. I have my oven preheating at 375. These go in for about 20 to 25 minutes. When it flakes, they're done, but you give it that extra 5 or 10 minutes because you want that sauce to generate. Okay, and that's it. The reason, excuse me one second, let me just rinse off my hands and I'll tell you the final note about the dish and say one more comment and then you guys are free of me. Chitty chatty Jeanine, because you know I could go on. All right, now I did it in this way because this seasoning, I did it around Christmas time. They go hot and they're delicious. If you didn't want to reheat it the next day, I used to always just reheat it and it's just as delicious in the microwave next day. But It also is absolutely delicious cold. We had it during holiday time. I did a video. It's called My Seafood Platter. Go on there and check it out. You'll see this presented with lobster and shrimp all on a cold platter and 3 different sauces to dip it cold. And it was fantastic in all of the sauces. And it's just a great way to have it. It's refreshed the next day. You have it tonight. I'll have it tonight hot. Vinny's not a big fan of salmon, so I'll have one hot tonight. The next one that's cold, maybe a day later, I'll have it in a salad. So, okay, and now they go in the oven at 375 for about 20-25 minutes. Just keep an eye on them after 20 minutes. Just make sure you got a good sauce. Ooh, ah. It's such a simple dish. I love it. I love it. I'll put my, get out of the way, Millie. All I need to do is burn you. And there you go. Let me get a big spoon to move some of that delicious sauce around so you guys can see. Let me get my glove. I've burnt myself on camera several times. I touched the pan right out of the oven. I don't know why. Let me see. Okay, they don't stick to the pan because of the wine juices. Like I said, you could have put onions, shallots, whatever your season preferences, but keep it within the wine butter juice is what I'm saying. You know, I'll have one hot, and like I said, the other one, just like that, will go in a Tupperware in the fridge. Tomorrow, I can eat it cold. Please check out that video, even if you just breeze by and look at the platter. It was really wonderful for Christmas Eve afternoon lunch, I think we had it. Yep, and there goes the lights. Okay, and that's all there is to it. And I'll probably do it on camera, but I also do my tilapia from Aldi's in the same way. I just do maybe something a little different. I don't know, but I'll be doing that down the road. There was a few names I forgot, and I just want to throw them out there quick because I will feel bad if I don't. Easy Cooking with Linda B. Hi, Linda. Wilma's Kitchen. Hello, Wilma. And Mazza Taste Hub. Hi. And Frugal Me Scott. He has some good tips on money saving things from everything from tires to food to taxes to everything. Okay, guys, so that's it. And I love each and every one of you subscribers who's been with me. Jean, who's been with me through this journey. We made it, Jean. We reached the 500. We did it. She was there in the middle of the night when I was making a corny video, cooking with one hand, not even realizing. I was just thinking. And next day, I had a new subscriber that said, "Hey, pretty impressive. You cooked that whole meal with one hand." And I said, "Really? I did." Corny moments. All right, I'm going to do probably going to do a pantry tour. I want to get in there and clean it, and it's best time to show you where all the good stuff happens. All right, lots more to come. See you guys in the next video. I love you all.